Hi, I'm Dr. Ranjani Rao. I'm a practicing dental surgeon and an implantologist. We run 2 practices in Electronic City, Bangalore. A lot of medications have certain side effects which result in swellings, enlargement or tiny growths in your gums, and these are known as gingival enlargements. Especially certain drugs that are used for long periods of time to treat certain conditions like epilepsy can result in swollen, enlarged or spongy gums in people for a long period of time. This can also be very unesthetic to look at or ugly to look at. In addition, a lot of people could have bleeding, pain, swelling and infection in these gums. These gingival enlargements definitely require medical attention, and if you go to your gum specialist, they can actually recarve or reshape the gums to look as natural as possible. If the drugs are continued to be used for a longer period of time, then you can notice that the gingival enlargements may return. However, if the gingival enlargements were caused because of usage of a drug for a short period of time, as soon as you stop using the drug, over a period of time, this problem can be solved by one-time gingival surgery.